Getting a news break this hour, the South Korea's Justice Ministry that has imposed travel ban on the president over martial law that has now been lifted. It's South Korea's Justice Ministry who's imposed on overseas travel ban on president as authorities are investigating allegations of rebellion and other charges in connection with his short-lived declaration of martial law last week. So South Korea's Justice Ministry that has imposed travel restrictions on the president over martial law, which has now been lifted. The Justice Ministry has imposed an overseas travel ban on the president as authorities are still investigating allegations of rebellion and other charges in connection with his short-lived declaration of martial law last week. Note that the president had even issued an apology over this martial law that he had announced, a short-lived martial law that was lifted following the impeachment motion that was to be passed against the president over the martial law. Let's go across to Krutharth joining us with more details. Krutharth, tell us more about this overseas travel ban that's been imposed on the South Korean president.
Indeed, Samiksha, and it was an overseas ban that was put in place by the Justice Ministry in South Korea upon special request made by police, prosecutors and the anti-corruption agency. Now remember, because President Yoon is still in office as the president, he has immunity from all sorts of persecution, barring reasons of treason, and which is why now the People's Power Party or President Yoon's party in South Korea is going to be tremendous amount of pressure, since there is impending travel ban imposed on him and he will not be able to travel anywhere abroad. This is for the mental peace of the opposition parties and the people who are opposing President Yoon's presidency and are asking him to step down. Remember, he survived a no confidence motion on Saturday earlier this week, and we also saw how the impeachment motion did not carry through. So President Yoon now is under pressure to resign. There is also indications from inside People's Power's party that there will be a smooth transition and eventually Yoon will step down. In what manner will he step down is something that remains to be seen. However, it is important that if he steps down, then and only then further investigation on the anti-corruption charges and the cases in which the police and the prosecutors are after him will be investigated. But as long as President Yoon remains in office as the president, he cannot be charged with anything as he has immunity, Samiksha.
All right, Krutharth, thank you for the moment. For now, we head into a very short break. And the other story that we are tracking is coming in from J&K, where the Bajrang Dal has now written to the SSP Jammu over complaints regarding Iltija Mufti, the daughter of Mehbooba Mufti. Bajrang Dal says Iltija's post on X has hurt religious sentiments of millions of Hindus. The delegation also met SSP Jammu and said that her statements promote hatred and intolerance. Let's go across to Gursimran joining us with more details. Gursimran, tell us more about this statement now coming in from the Bajrang Dal, objecting to that statement that was put out by Iltija Mufti.
Yes, Samiksha, a delegation of the Bajrang Dal met the SSP Jammu and has submitted a complaint in which they have said that an FIR should be registered against Iltija Mufti, daughter of Mehbooba Mufti, for her post on the social media platform X, in which she has termed the Hindutva as a disease and also has made derogatory remarks against Lord Ram, after which the Hindu groups have been raising their voice. We have seen earlier in the day that in the morning there was a complaint that was registered by the Kashmiri Pandit Youth Organization, Youth for Panun Kashmir, in the national capital, and now in Jammu a complaint has been submitted to the SSP Jammu Jogendra Singh by the Bajrang Dal in Jammu. The Bajrang Dal state president Rakesh Bajrangi along with his delegation met the SSP Jammu, and as we speak the letter has been submitted to the SSP office. The SSP office has taken the cognizance, and now the further course of action will follow as per the rules. But for now there has been a complaint that has been written to SSP Jammu regarding a stringent action and FIR be registered against Iltija Mufti for the derogatory remarks she made, as they have said that these remarks have not only hurt the sentiments but also promote hatreds among the society.
Right, Gursimran, also any statement that has been made by any of the PDP leaders so far, have they expressed apology for the kind of statements that Iltija Mufti had made?
See, the PDP continues to be unapologetic when it comes to this statement made by Iltija Mufti, because Iltija has been backing her statement time and again. She has been saying that it is what is happening on ground, and that is why she had said she is refusing to backtrack or to apologize for her statement that she has made. Because yesterday also when we tried to ask her, she had some reasons to run away from the questions because she had no answers. She only plays the soft balls that she gets. No hard questions is the rule that Iltija Mufti actually follows for a long time now. And yes, there has been no apologies from the People's Democratic Party or any of their leader.